Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TBLT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. A very eventful day today. Started off very rough, but what really captures my attention and what makes this, in my opinion at least, an extremely interesting setup going into Tuesday is this right here. I mean, there's no doubt about it. As I pointed out, things were bearish. Things were bearish basically all day. And I say basically because they weren't bearish all day, because at the end you can see not only did the price get a little bit of upwards movement, but it was also able to break up above this little downwards trend line here, which now brings about the more than valid question of, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is this the start of a turnaround back to the upside? It very well may just be a dead cat bounce, but my point is it's at least a valid, rational thought to now be questioning whether or not this is the start of something bigger. But if this is the start of something bigger, well then what is going to need to happen? Well, the price is going to have to keep on getting bigger, right? Or in other words, the price is going to need to make progress now. It's going to have to start to show signs of progress. And this is why, in my opinion, 13 cents is the must-hold level. Why so? Well, let's say that the price pulls back to 13 cents and then just drops below it. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but that's the exact opposite of a breakout, right? A breakout is going to keep on, breaking out, making progress forward, not going back to where it was. On the flip side, though, let's say that the price does come down, because nothing can go straight up, but maybe it comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, well, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And there it is. That's what it's all about, showing signs of progress. So that's why, in my opinion, at least 13 cents, very, very important level going forward, because the big, the first box has been checked. A nice breakout of the trend line has happened. Now it's just about checking that second box. Can the price show some signs of progress? So the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.